I knew I was going to marry Mmeli. I think as silly as this sounds, when I first met him. He came shortly after God and I had had a little bit of a chat. And I remember thinking, sure, so easy, Lord, I just need to ask. And here this man falls into my lap. So yeah, that's what I knew.
What attracts me to KB so much is her heart, her kind heart, her generous heart. I think she's the most compassionate, the kindest, and the most generous person that I've ever met. So for me, that just really drew me to her. My dearest KB, love of my life, my best friend, and my forever. When we first met 9 years ago, I never imagined that I would one day take one of the most monumental steps in my life with you. But God knew. For many are the plans of a man, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails.
Mmeli, you are my answered prayer. God exceeded every expectation I had the moment I met you. You swept me away with your charm, you enthralled me with your brilliant mind, and melted away all of my defenses with your generous, kind heart. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for never giving up on me. Thank you for always challenging me to do better and be better, and most importantly, thank you for choosing me to spend your forever with.
I think what makes our relationship special is the love that we have for God over and above everything. It's the foundation that has kept us together. Mmeli, welcome Hlanze.
Thank you, Kiabetso Pelo,
Thank you, Kiabetso Pelo,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Kiabetso Pello.
Thank you, Mmeli, welcome Hlanze,
Thank you, Mmeli, welcome Hlanze.
to be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
Mmeli, the moment you've been waiting for, take the floor, sir. So then for your wife.
Here's to more adventures, more memories, to more smiles, more laughter, and a lifetime of forever. Cheers to us, my love.